I finally got my hands on the WWE World Dual-Plated Replica Belt with the attached sidebars to the main plate and the screws covered in the back. I'm going to show you this belt, but first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button followed by the bell so you'll be notified every time I release a new video. I also live stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for Raw, SmackDown, and AEW Dynamite. We do wrestling trivia, and we'd love to have you guys stop by to compete in wrestling trivia. I finally got this belt. I ordered it back in June on WWESHOP.com, and it's finally arrived today. Amazing, they've really packaged it up like Fort Knox. Very nice belt bag. The zipper effortlessly unzipped. And here we go, looking at the belt. They really packaged up this belt like Fort Knox, I'm not gonna lie. All right, we're almost there. Here we go. And there it is. The dual-plated Winged Eagle WWE Championship belt. Absolutely beautiful. Look at this belt. Look at the tooling. Look at the side plates. This is an amazing replica belt. Probably one of the best replica belts WWE Shop has made to date. Look at the detail. Look at the snap box here. It looks like real hand-tooled leather. And look at the main plate. Very nice. I love how the Eagle's wings come off of the leather. Absolutely incredible. And look at this, it has the heavyweight on there. There is a T here on the heavyweight. I know some people got the I on there, which is quite rare to find today. So I love the fact that the Winged Eagle main plate comes off of the leather like that, and the side plates come off too. It looks authentic, like the real championship belt. Just like from Wrestlemania 4 with Macho Man Savage. And I love how the screws are covered in the back. I hope WWE makes more replica belts just like this. It looks so professional that I probably won't even consider getting this belt re-leathered. I love it the way it is. It looks great. Now I've had replica belts that have been re-leathered. I'll link those above here so you guys can check those out. I've had Winged Eagle titles, but this one looks just as good, if not better, than the ones I've had before. What an amazing replica belt. Beautiful replica belt. I hope to see more replica belts like this in the future. Definitely one of my favorite replica belts right now. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you all be safe and be well. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. MATTROISE signing out.